Welcome to the first step towards financial freedom. We dive into Money Mind Tricks by Brendan William, a revolutionary guide that promises to change how you think about, attract, and manage money. Discover the secrets behind attracting wealth and the mind-blowing tricks that can transform your financial life. Stay tuned as we unveil the power of a transformed financial mindset and the strategies that can lead you to unparalleled wealth. In this segment, we explore unconventional mind tricks, a guide to the most peculiar and effective psychological techniques. Prepare to expand your mind with strategies you've never imagined. From mental exercises that defy common logic to hacks that leverage the oddities of human psychology, this guide promises a journey into the bizarre. Embrace the weird and unlock new potentials within yourself. Get ready to challenge your perceptions and discover the power of unconventional strategies. Dive deeper into the world of unconventional mind tricks. This guide isn't just about expanding your mind with the strangest, most effective techniques. It's also about giving back. A portion of all proceeds goes to charity, with current efforts supporting leukemia and lymphoma research. By exploring these bizarre mental exercises and psychological hacks, you're not only unlocking new potentials within yourself, but also contributing to a greater cause. Get ready to embrace the odd and make a difference. Every review you leave does more than share your thoughts. It drives change. We're committed to donating a portion of all proceeds to charities, with a spotlight on those you mention in Amazon reviews. Currently, we're supporting the LLS team in training, aiming for a $10,000 donation to aid leukemia and lymphoma research. Your support is crucial. Visit our dedicated pages to contribute directly and help us make a significant impact. Together, we can achieve more. Join Team in Training and take a stand against blood cancers with the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. By participating, you're not just running a race, you're funding critical research and patient support. Embrace Aristotle's wisdom. Excellence isn't an act, but a habit. Your consistent support can spark significant change, proving that together we can conquer challenges and achieve greatness. Let's transform our actions into a powerful force for good. Your journey to habitual excellence begins here. Be the change you wish to see. Aristotle once said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. This profound insight reveals the secret to achieving greatness in any area of life, especially in business. It's not the grand gestures, but the daily habits that shape our destiny. Similarly, the power of the subconscious mind is like the vast, unseen portion of an iceberg, guiding the majority of our actions and decisions. By aligning our habits and subconscious beliefs with our goals, we unlock a powerful pathway to success. Let's dive deeper into how these principles can transform your business journey. Imagine your mind as an iceberg. What's visible above water is just a small fraction of its mass. The bulk lies unseen beneath the surface. This is the power of your subconscious mind, shaping the majority of your life, influencing your success and attracting your desires. We'll explore how to harness your subconscious, not just to dream about financial freedom, but to achieve it. By altering your thoughts, feelings, and habits, you can unlock a path to prosperity that has been within you all along. Your subconscious mind holds the key to unlocking financial freedom. It's where deep-seated beliefs and habits about money reside. By learning to influence your subconscious, you can transform your financial destiny. This involves altering negative beliefs and fostering positive habits towards money. Imagine attracting wealth effortlessly, simply by aligning your subconscious with the energy of abundance. Join us as we delve into practical strategies to master money magnetism, turning your dreams of financial abundance into reality. In this moment, we pause to honor the unwavering support and love that have shaped our journey. From the family who instilled passion and resilience, to the mentors who guided with wisdom, and the friends who believed in our dreams. This tribute extends beyond words, capturing the essence of gratitude for every individual who has been a beacon of inspiration and strength. Together, we've woven a tapestry of support, each thread a testament to the power of unity and love. Join us in celebrating the silent heroes of our story. In the heart of our journey lies a mosaic of gratitude for those who've illuminated our path. From Lori, the architect of our digital dreams, to Grandmaster Ki-Young Choi, who enriched our spirit with life's profound lessons. We honor the patience of our design team and the brilliance of Anthony Spartanak's editorial eye. To Sophia, Akash, Lonnie Roy, and our cherished community of readers and supporters, your indelible marks on this journey are our guiding stars. Together, we celebrate the symphony of support that has crafted this masterpiece. In this moment, we pause to extend our deepest gratitude to Sophia, Akash, Lonnie Roy, and every reader, subscriber, and supporter. Your unwavering support fuels our journey, shaping a path of unparalleled achievements. Transitioning, we encounter the liver of destiny. Positioned in solitude, it beckons with a choice: destruction or wealth, steered by the universe's binding energy. This symbolizes the pivotal decisions that define our journey, emphasizing the power of choice underpinned by gratitude. Together, these elements forge our path forward. In a realm of choices, two levers stand. The first, untouched and gleaming, offers a stark choice between utter destruction and immense wealth, a testament to the universe's guiding energy. The second, a metaphor for life's constant tug-of-war between progress and regression, reflects our daily battles. These levers, though different, share a common message. The journey of life is filled with choices and challenges, each pushing us towards our ultimate destiny. It's our perseverance and decisions that shape our path. In our journey, we've encountered levers of choice and consequence. Today, we explore a lever long ignored, rusted from poor financial decisions. This lever, once a symbol of potential, became a cautionary tale of neglect. But the story doesn't end here. With a moment of clarity, the resolve to clean and realign emerges, symbolizing a commitment to rectify past mistakes. This is more than a tale of financial recovery. It's a metaphor for life's ability to change course towards success. Let's embark on this turnaround story, clearing our mental clutter for true financial freedom. Imagine your mind as a cluttered room, filled with the noise of past education, peer influences, and relentless media. Each piece of clutter represents a barrier to your financial freedom. Now, envision yourself methodically clearing this space, removing each obstacle, revealing a clear path to prosperity. This isn't just tidying up, it's a profound transformation of your financial destiny through the power of your subconscious mind. By mastering simple yet powerful mind tricks, you're not just dreaming of wealth, you're actively attracting it. Welcome to the Clarity Cleanse, where your financial liberation begins. Embark on a transformative journey where your subconscious mind becomes the most powerful tool in your financial arsenal. By mastering specific techniques, you can shift your beliefs and reality towards prosperity. It's not magic, but a practical approach to rewire your thought patterns. This journey requires consistent effort, but as you align your subconscious with your financial goals, you unlock an abundance that was always within reach. Start believing in your financial goals as the first step towards manifesting the wealth you desire and deserve. Discover the profound impact of self-love on your journey to personal wealth and well-being. This scene delves into the essential practice of embracing oneself, highlighting how self-acceptance and love are pivotal in unlocking your true potential. Through practical strategies, learn to cultivate a mindset that not only aims for growth and generosity, but also fosters an unwavering positivity. Embrace the journey of self-love and watch as doors to personal achievement and fulfillment open before you. We explore the transformative power of saving. Saving isn't just about setting money aside. It's a mindset that paves the way for financial freedom and security. We'll introduce practical strategies to help you cultivate a saving habit, emphasizing the importance of consistency and discipline. By adopting these practices, you unlock the door to a future where financial worries are a thing of the past. Let's embark on this journey towards achieving true financial independence through the art of saving. We dive into the world of emotional freedom techniques, a revolutionary tool designed to combat mental barriers to wealth. EFT, or tapping, involves stimulating certain meridian points on the body to release energy blockages. By addressing these blockages, EFT paves the way for increased financial abundance. We'll guide you through the basics of EFT and demonstrate how it can be a game changer in your journey towards financial freedom. Let's unlock the doors to wealth together, tapping our way to prosperity. we delve into the fascinating world of subliminal messaging, a technique that influences your subconscious mind without your conscious awareness. By embedding positive affirmations and wealth-oriented thoughts into audio or visual stimuli, subliminal messages can subtly shift your mindset towards abundance and prosperity.